Hi, this is a short video showing how my GWAP app runs, game rather, and there's lots of junk here. I'm just gonna clear the screen. Um, and basically, I'm just gonna do a quick run, and here I'm gonna have the server. I have a little script that actually runs the server, and another for the client. So I'm gonna have 4 clients here connected. On all these screens. So these 4 here are clients, and that's the server. And I can do a number of things. I could, well, let's try typing any kind of command in there. So it actually tells you that it's an invalid command and how to properly use it. So I go, I can list number of running game sessions. There are no game sessions right now. But then I can also host. So it tells you when there are no game sessions, and if there are any, it tells you as well. We're gonna see that in the pretty soon. And now I host a game. I've created session ID. Here I can join. I can list to see exactly what game sessions are running right now, and I could actually have another game running here as well. So if I just hosted another game on this lower window here, which is another client connected, and that's the ID there, 52702. And if I list here, it's updated, right? And it tells you the number of players as well in the brackets. So now I have that. I could decide to join. I could join whichever any of those game sessions. So I joined the first one, which is um, join 52701. And here, if I do list, it tells me that now there are two. This other client sees that there are two other players there, which is this and this. So I would like to join that as well. 52701. So I've joined, and here as well, I would like to join. So first of all, if I do a list, it tells me that there are 3 there. So I would join 52701 as well. And so the game has started because the minimum number of players required is that number 4. So now all you have to do is enter exactly. So there's a timeout, and when there's a timeout, you cannot enter any. It's a pretty competitive game here. To enter words. Oh, men, cars. Okay, so game over. That's it, and the game ends, and no one can enter anything else. And that's how it works for now. But then we're going to see exactly where those values are actually stored. So this time around, I'm going to run the app, but then I'll set the breakpoint at the server to see exactly at what point, or to see what the content of the word database is at the end of the game. And so I'll run the same thing over again. I'll have all 4 clients in that, and I'll join 52735. And I would join that, and I would say, so I'm in the middle of a game now. Ooh, nothing, something, car. Okay, so I do have so I've experienced a breakpoint right now. I'd like to see, so that that challenge is just finished. Now I have a breakpoint here in the merger where I can actually inspect my server, my main server. And in here, which is the word database, I have a modes count of just 1. So yeah, I can actually see exactly that the value has been stored. Because the size is 1, there's a value in there. And those are the values that have actually been entered. So for that, I have, so for each of those values I've entered, I have the forwarder connected clients, their entries as well. And that's actually going to happen for each word or each round of words I've used in the game. So the first word I had there was game. So game, kitchen, cosmetics. And if I let this run, it's actually going to stop there again. I can see that the next word would be kitchen. So it's the merge is actually grabbing a buffer one at a time. So I'm gonna open this again. So now it's 2, right? The next word there would be, or you can't actually see because it's just pointing to the header. Yes, so it's just pointing to the header. And that's the game that's how it works. And there's more details in the tech memo. Thank you.